Hello everyone, welcome to a brief overview of Multisoft Systems Comsol Multiphysics training course. Multisoft Systems, with over 21 years of experience, offers 1,500 plus courses, partners with 10K plus experts, serves 2,000 plus corporates, has trained 1 million plus individuals, and earning a 4.5-star rating. Here we share the overview, benefits, and facts. Comsol Multiphysics is a versatile simulation software that allows engineers, scientists, and researchers to create models and run simulations across multiple physical domains simultaneously. This powerful tool enables users to explore and predict real-world behaviors of products, processes, and phenomena, integrating structural, thermal, fluid, and electromagnetic analyses into one unified framework. One of the primary benefits of Comsol Multiphysics training is its emphasis on enhancing computational proficiency and enabling users to develop highly accurate predictive models. This capability is crucial for optimizing designs and troubleshooting before physical prototypes are built, leading to cost and time savings in the development process. The training also equips users with the skills to handle complex multiphysical phenomena, which is invaluable in fields such as biomedical engineering, energy, and materials science. Prerequisites. There are no specific prerequisites for the Comsol Multiphysics training. It is open to anyone interested in multiphysics modeling and simulation, eager to learn integrated analysis techniques. What will you learn? During the course, you will understand the fundamental principles of multiphysics modeling, setting up and solving simulation problems, integrating different physical models into a single simulation, meshing techniques for complex geometries, post-processing and visualization of simulation results, optimizing models for accuracy and efficiency, advanced features like parameter optimization and sensitivity analysis. By the end of the course, you will gain deep knowledge about integrated analysis technique and how to implement it in real-time projects. Our Comsol Multiphysics subject matter experts have profound understanding of multiphysics modeling and simulation, rich practical experience on real-world applications, extensive hands-on knowledge in the area of data analytics domain, in-depth industry experience and expertise, delivered multiple training sessions to various clients. Research underscores the impact of Comsol on innovation and efficiency. Studies indicate that users who integrate Comsol into their projects significantly reduce iteration cycles and enhance the robustness of their designs. Furthermore, the software's ability to provide insightful visualizations helps communicate complex data and simulation results effectively, fostering better collaboration and decision-making within teams. Course assessment. In addition to our comprehensive training, we offer a complimentary assessment designed to evaluate course comprehension. This assessment employs a variety of methods, including multiple-choice questions, short answer responses, and tests focused on problem-solving abilities. These diverse approaches ensure a thorough understanding of the course material and providing a well-rounded evaluation of participants' knowledge and application skills. Thank you for watching our video. We eagerly anticipate welcoming you to Multisoft's Comsol Multiphysics training, where you will master multiphysics modeling and simulation, enhancing your skills in integrated analysis and design optimization.